Did you get ready in the dark or something?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do this makeup look.
Don't you know?
For that, first of all I'm taking a moisturizer and applying it all over my face. Then I'm taking a primer and applying where my pores are visible. Then I'm taking a light coverage foundation.
That's just like you.
And now I'm going to blend my foundation with the help of a brush. Now I am taking a concealer and going to conceal my dark spots. And also applying to the highlighted parts of my face. And now I am blending it with the same brush.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it.
Now I am using a setting spray to set all the base makeup. Now I am taking a liquid highlighter for extra glow. To reduce this oiliness, I am going to use a loose powder. For contouring, I am using this contour powder. I have already done my eyebrows, so I'm using this transition color in my lid. Then I am taking this light pink color and I am blending it to my lid. Now I'm taking a dark pink color and I'm applying it over the previous color to make a peachy pink color. I'm back with my wing liner and now I am applying a mascara. So now I'm going to apply this pink lipstick. Now I'm taking a powder highlighter and highlighting my cheekbones and my nose and my forehead. Now I'm taking a light pink color and going to blush my cheeks and my nose. And here I'm completing my makeup look. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.